Today I am having some words from a magnificent daughter. As love is not bound in language, so this one will be in English. Here we go. A father's touch, a daddy's kiss. A grieving daughter, you are greatly missed. An empty house, an empty chair. A father's love, no longer there. A broken heart, tear-filled eyes, another soul to fill the sky. Many memories in my mind, some I laugh, some I cry. The times we shared, the laughs we had. Things I miss when I think of you, Abu. Realizing that all I have to hold on to, only memories of what once was you. Missing your laugh, I will never again hear. That is the reality that fills me with so much fear. No more smiles on your face, no more warmth of your embrace. The last hug, the last kiss, the last goodbye leaves me with last wish to have you, Abu, here today. Never to leave your daughter this way. A father's touch, a daddy's kiss. A grieving daughter, you are greatly missed.